Okay. I will come. I will come. And Babin. Babin. I will come. Babin. I will go home. And Bawuchang. And Bawuchang. I will not come home. And Shabilunchang. Or Anchan Bawuchang. I will not come home. Anchan Bibenchang. I am going to town. And Warek. And Warek. I am not going to town. And Shanwarek. And Shawarek. And Shanwarek. I am not going to town. Mama, I need water. Mama, and go repew. Mama, I want water. Mama, and go repew. I am thirsty. And Nagrawa. And Nagrawa, go repew. I am thirsty. And Nagrawa. I am hungry. And Nagbosa, I need food. And Nagbosa, go rakwen. I want to eat food. And goro bemiska kwen. And goro bemitka kwen. I love you. And Nwakaji. And Nwakaji. I adore you. And Nwakaji. Food chwale kwen. It is called kwen in thok nath. Water, it is called pew in thok nath. Water, pew. Food, kwen. Alright. I will come. And Baben. I will go home. And Bawuchang. I will not come home. And Chan Bibenchang. I will not come home. And Chabulunchang. And Chan Bibenchang. I am going to town. And Warek. I am going to town. And Warek. Town mean rek. I am not going to town. And Chanwarek. And Chanwarek. I am not going to town. Mama, I need water. Mama, and go repew. Mama, I want water. Mama, and go repew. I am thirsty. And Nagrawa. Thirsty, Nagrawa. Go repew when you need water. And Nagrawa, I am thirsty. I am hungry. This is and Nagbota when you need food. And Nagbota. I want to eat food. I want to eat food. Han Gora Kwen. Food mean Kwen. I loved you. And Nwakaji. I love you. And Nwakaji. I adore you. And Nwakaji. And Nwakaji. Food, Kwen. Water, pew. Please try to share it with others. Do not forget to subscribe and to follow my page. Thank you. Bye bye.